So welcome to Pratham Car Vlogs, and today we are driving this Maruti Suzuki Ertiga VXI Petrol. Well, this car comes to me with the courtesy of Star Cars and Properties. Well, we have already reviewed Ertiga earlier, so we'll not be going in depth. Just let me show you some key aspects. The boot, which is 209 liters, foldable seats, and also reclinable. They can also be reclined for added comfort. And here is the handle to shut the boot. Here is the Suzuki badging, smart hybrid badging, LED tail lights, halogen indicator, and backlight. Well, this car is 4.4 meter in length, 2.7 meter wheelbase, and 1.7 meters around width. So it looks quite nice. The stance of the car is really great. It also gets, the one we reviewed earlier also had projector headlamps, and this also has it, but this doesn't have fog lamps. That was a top end variant. It is a VXI. Chrome finishing on the grille. Let me show you the engine. These are auto folding outside rear view mirrors and indicator mounted on them. Quickly show you. So the earlier we drove was an automatic. It had 2 pedals. This has 3 pedals, and this one also gets a dead pedal. That's really nice. Dead pedal is a really nice touch because it's the ease of driving. Okay, so it doesn't get hydraulic struts, but the insulation is there, and the engine looks quite spacious. Here where the washer fluid goes, and so this also doesn't get alloy wheels. This gets wheel caps. The wheel size happens to be 185/65 R15s. So almost same, just few minor changes as it's a lower variant. Huge doors, the particular MPV traits. Let me recline this. This is quite a recline angle. Adjustable headrest for all 3 rows, and the space at the rear is also quite nice. Here's the bottle holder, chrome finished door handles, power windows. The window area is quite large, AC vents and all. This is how the interior looks. That the car we reviewed earlier had an aftermarket system. Well, this is the company fitted stock system, and today we'll also review this because earlier we didn't. And almost the same is the armrest with no cup holders. This is the bottle holder. Here is a 12V charging socket. And speakers. Well, the auto folding outside rear view mirrors and electrically adjustable is really a nice touch because that really helps. Well, let me show you the headlights. The car is very silent, just makes a little bit of noise. This is how the headlights look, and with high beam on, this is how they look. This is the high beam, this is the low beam halogen projector setup, and rest is all the same. Bumper looks quite nice. The car is designed really well. The first generation Ertiga was not so good, neither it looked good. It was just the Maruti Suzuki trait, but now it's quite better. Although the design language is quietly inspired from Innova. Well, let's come to this system. Low fuel warning, I'll get it filled. This is the hazard light switch. This is the dummy button. This is the AC controls. It doesn't get climate control, it gets regular ACs. Let me shut it. Well, this gets cooling cup holders, 12V charging socket, and an USB aux cable. Well, the glove box is a smaller one. Rest is all the same, and let's check what is in this system. Okay, so this is to control volume. And this is for radio. It's making a beeping noise. Here are some other controls to operate Bluetooth. Set up Bluetooth. Okay, this is for volume and all. Well, it doesn't get a cruise control. Here is a cubby space to keep some coins, whatever you like. Auto start stop system and headlight leveling switch. Well, this is the MID of the car, and we have already reviewed it. It looks almost like Baleno, Ignis and all the Nexa interior, and nothing different. This is a clock, this is a power and torque figures, and let's get to this. This is also a hybrid engine, we have already talked. So let's don't waste time and start driving this car right away. Well, the only different thing with this car, it's a little lower variant and it's a manual. So manual has its own fun. Let's see how it is to drive. Well, this is the control for outside rear view mirror. This is to unfold. Well, these switch gear is not really great. It looks very cheap, but the car is in really good condition. Almost next to new. It's a new car only. There is nothing spoiled in this car. Well, if you find this review useful, you can always buy it on Star Cars and Properties. Let's start driving. Okay, so here we are, and let's wear the seat belts. Well, this particular variant doesn't get a height adjustable seat belt. Well, that feature should be there in every car. Turning off the hazard light, pushing down the handbrake, and let's start driving right away. Let me first adjust the outside rear view mirrors, which is really fascinating to have electric controls over here. Okay, so this car has a great pull. Well, the hybrid motor helps a lot. Okay, so we have already driven this car, but that was an automatic. Manual has its own stance, and a petrol car is always a joy to drive as it revs like hell. But this car has a lot of body roll, as the car length shows. It's so long. It's 4.4 meters long, I guess, approximately 4.3 something, and quite wide, that is 1.7 meters. So the body roll is quite there, but the car's ride quality is very amazing, matlab, it's quite amazing, and it drives so easily. So it is so easy to drive. Well, I have driven Swift, the new one. The earlier one was great. The earlier Desire was also great. It felt so heavy to drive. But new Swift and new Swift Desire, I don't like them much. But this Ertiga is really better than them quite a lot. Well, this car, so this car has a smart hybrid engine K15 of 1468 cc to be specific, and this car produces a max power of 103.62 bhp at 6000 rpm and a max torque of 138 Nm at 4400 rpm. Well, this car has 5 gears. The gears, it's quite slick shifting, and the clutch is also very light. The brakes are also very nice. Well, the only problem I am facing that there is a mat on driver's side. Because a fact, when you are driving a car and you opt mats for accessory, you should not be opting mats for driver's side. Okay, a lot of bumps there, but the suspensions are amazing. So you should not be opting mats for driver's side, because there should be no matting done below the paddles, because it's difficult to drive then. Okay, so Baleno is going. Well, I look forward to drive Baleno because I've heard many praises for Baleno, but I haven't driven it. So let me see how many praises are truth. Because the car is really nice to drive. I've already driven, so I know how it is driving. It's just the manual stance which lets you hit the higher RPMs. Well, automatic does not let you do that. But in the Ertiga, there was AMT gearbox used, which was 4-speed transmission, and it had a mode D2 and L. Well, the L mode was to drive in lower gears, so it shouldn't shift, and you can drive in lower gear and hit the red line, but that doesn't make any sense because you have to change gear eventually. So that was that, and braking is also nice, and the handling, the car shows its length. The handling is क्या कहना चाहिए उसको, मतलब हैंडलिंग उतनी टू द पॉइंट नहीं है. सी स्टीयरिंग ऐसे कर रहा हूँ और कार ऐसे ऐसे घूम रही है. सो वो कार के लेंथ और कार के विड्थ है जो हैंडलिंग को स्पॉइल करती है. अदरवाइज द स्टीयरिंग इज़ नाइस. इट्स नॉट दैट light at lower speeds also, but neither too heavy at higher speeds. It's like in between. A lot of cows there in Rohini. Well, if we talk about particularly this car is really amazing, and it also in really good condition. It's almost new. See, there's nothing spoiled or done to this car. It's totally a new car if you want to buy it, and I will mention the further details in the description of pricing and model year. Well, I can tell you the model year. It's 2019 VXI, so if you don't have to worry with that. Well, pricing, I will mention the details of Star Cars and Properties. You can check it out and check the catalog at WhatsApp link, जो वो भी मैं मेंशन कर दूंगा. एंड अदरवाइज द कार इज़ रियली नाइस. वेल, टिल डेट all the Maruti cars I have driven, this car feels best. So the fuel is really low. So let's quickly end this vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pratham Car Vlogs, and do comment on the video how you like the car. And you can always come Rohini to Star Cars and Properties to see such amazing cars in such good condition at a very attractive price point. So what you are waiting for? Come to Rohini and buy some amazing second-hand cars which are really worth it, and it's almost new condition. So there are a lot more cars there. Some controls at the steering which feel really nice, but this should be given here. Why this is empty? ये वाले controls यहाँ पे दो ना यार, इतना ease हो जाता काम करने का in the sense इसमें browse करने के लिए काफ़ी ease हो जाता है. Let's do that, Maruti Suzuki. For now, thanks for watching the vlog, and bye bye.